product's BSR dropped 3,000 positions overnight from 1,500 to 4,500. But when you check the sales data, units sold remained stable at approximately the same level as past week trend. What is the most likely cause of this BSR drop? If there was any listing split that might be causing it. But I would ask you this question, how important this is. Is this something that is affecting your sales? Because right now you clearly said that you are getting the same level of sales, or sales are. Units sold remain stable. So if units sold remain stable, is this important? Is this something that the brand wants to know, or so on? Because then you might be looking into it. But if not, and if affected nothing, then I would just keep a note of it, and then whenever you see this happening again, look into what are the last things that happened in the last 24 to 48 hours on Amazon to my products or to my listings that might be able to cause that. And why am I saying that? Is this something that the brand is asking you to report on? Is because most of the time people are going to be focused on the least amount of things ever that they can. And here, for example, if you're telling me, if I am the brand owner and you're telling me, hey, Daniela, if I made the same amount of sales or more sales or so on, I couldn't care less about the BSR drop, especially if it did not impacted my sales. Now, if you want to troubleshoot and find out what might have been the cause, I'm totally cool with that. But my end goal is to, if I have for this quarter to hit a 20 or 30% increase and we are increasing aggressively, are we achieving that? Yes. So then I would not even go into like what happened and so on. And this comes from an over-optimizer and over-analyzer. So take it with a grain of salt, okay?